Hello guys, hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. This video is the Christmas special too. I already have one Christmas special video in my channel, link in the description. Anyway, back to this video. Today I'm making a paper snowman. It's very pretty and can obviously bring the Christmas spirit to your house. So let's get started. You need two A4 papers, then cut them in half. Take one of them and fold it just the way I'm doing. Do the same with the other paper and glue both together. Now take a string and tie it on the middle. Now use glue on both sides. It should look like this. Now do the same with the remaining two papers. But make a mark of 2.5 inch on the paper and cut it off. Do the same for both of the papers. Do the rest of the work as you did at the beginning. Now stick both of the parts together. Now take a black paper and make a hat with it. Use a blue strip of paper and stick it to the hat. Use two black paper circles to make the eyes. And orange paper to make the carrot for his nose. Add some paper buttons. Now take a blue strip of paper and make it scarf for the snowman. Wow, it's looking so pretty. I love it. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my next videos. Bye bye. Merry Christmas to you and your family and have a nice holiday.